Hello everyone, this is Anna. She's in year 4 and she's my cousin. And today, Anna, thanks for coming. We're going to be learning about living and non-living things. Do you want to give me an example of a living thing? What's a living thing?
A worm.
A worm. And what's a non-living thing? What do you think?
Piece of wood.
A piece of wood. Okay, so we're going to look at the worm's characteristics. What are the characteristics? What does it need to survive? We'll write these ones down. So
Dirt.
So it needs shelter.
Yeah.
What else does it need to survive?
Food.
Yeah, food. What else?
Water.
Water. And were you born your height and was I born my height?
No.
So what else does it do? What else do living things do?
Grows.
Yes, grows and changes. And what about a piece of wood? What makes it non-living?
Doesn't breathe.
Yep, so it doesn't breathe. So does that mean, what's another characteristic we could have put over in the living things?
It breathes.
Yes. I'll just try to put it in here. So what's other characteristics for non-living things?
It doesn't need food.
Yep, so no food. What else?
No water.
No water. Anything else there? Does it change and grow? Does a piece of wood?
No.
Doesn't grow or change. Okay, Anna, we're going to do a little activity now where you get to cut and paste. We're going to use these pictures and we're going to put them in the right categories of living or non-living. So you can cut them out if you like. And then we can start the little exercise. And yeah, you're going to, then when we categorise them, you're going to tell me why it's living or why it's non-living. Good job. Okay, what one are we going to do first?
Clock.
The clock. Even though the clock has a face just there, is it non-living or living?
Non-living.
Okay, and why do you think it's non-living?
Because it doesn't breathe, doesn't need water, it doesn't eat food, and it doesn't grow or change.
Yes. Non-living. Good job. What's the next one?
A dog.
What is it, living or non-living?
Living because it needs shelter, food, water, it breathes.
To survive,
and
so it
grows.
doesn't die. Guys, if we didn't give it food or water, would it be alive?
Nope.
No. One more to do. Or a banana. What do you think about a banana?
Not alive
Yeah, why is it not alive?
because it doesn't need food, water, it doesn't breathe.
Yeah.
Doesn't,
It's funny though because does a banana grow?
yes.
It does, doesn't it? But doesn't, if it doesn't have food or water, it's not going to die, is it?
No.
Truck, where do you think this one's going to go?
Non-living.
Non-living. And why is that?
Because it doesn't breathe, doesn't need water, doesn't need food.
Cloud, what do you think a cloud is?
Non-living.
And why is that non-living?
Because it doesn't breathe.
Some people get tricked up with the cloud because they think that it grows with the water or it needs, the water gives it life. But you weren't tricked with that one. Plants. What's that?
Alive.
Yeah. And why is it alive?
Because they need shelter, food and water. grow and change.
So do you want to write 2 more living things? Think of 2 more living things on there that we could. What else is living? So what have you written there?
Cat and worm.
Yes. Well, thank you, Anna, for being in my video.